Feeling foggy? Can't focus? Let's talk about Kaya Natural's brain supplement. This is a simple brain booster that promises better memory and sharper thinking. But does it work? Let's find out. Kaya Natural's NeuroBrain is made in the USA with natural ingredients like green tea, bacopa, bilberry fruit, and cinnamon bark NeuroBrain. It's gluten-free and third-party tested NeuroBrain. The idea is simple. Take it daily to help your brain stay sharp and focused. This is a slow-release formula, so you won't get a crazy energy crash like you would with energy drinks. Instead, it gives you steady energy throughout the day. The ingredients are supposed to support memory, focus, clarity, and alertness. Amazon.com. Kaya Naturals, NeuroBrain for memory and focus, nootropic energy capsule, nootropic brain support supplement, focus and concentration, and learning accuracy, cognitive function, 60 count, health and household. Think of it as a fuel for your brain. Users like this product. Many people say they feel more alert and can think more clearly. Some notice improvements within just one day. Others say important things come to mind more easily after taking it. Plus, it's easy to swallow and doesn't upset your stomach. And compared to other brain pills out there, this one won't empty your wallet. Here is the thing. Brain supplements don't work the same for everyone. A few people reported having trouble with certain thinking tasks after starting the supplement. Also, there is no magic pill for brain health. You still need good sleep, healthy food, and exercise. This is just extra help. If you're a student cramming for exams, a busy parent juggling everything, or someone who just feels mentally tired, this might help. It's also good if you want a caffeine alternative that won't make you jittery. Kaya Natural Brain Supplement is a solid choice if you want a natural boost. It's affordable, easy to take, and many people see real results. Just remember, it's not a miracle cure, but if you need a little extra brain power, it's worth a try. That's our review. Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.